Well, before Cowrywise, I keep money in the bank, and I didn't like it because it reduces all the time, and eventually I get to spend it on what I didn't want to spend it on. It was in 2021. I needed to get something done by, I think, December, and then I started saving in Cowrywise. I missed a few months, but then I started using this automated savings. I added my debit card, and that helped me save, and I was able to do it. One thing that makes Cowrywise stand out for me is the user interface of the app. I think it's user-friendly. From a product designer perspective, it is user-friendly and actionable buttons everywhere. One of the things I need to do is what Cowrywise helps me to do, which is keeping my money out of the bank and also investing in foreign currencies and then keeping my money safe while a little bit of interest gets on it. Hi, my name is Olwatosin David. I'm a product designer and I've been using Cowrywise since 2020.